Bonjour, this is my lovely home model and my muse Laetitia.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. When you want voluminous hair, it's very important the way you prep it first. So I wash Laetitia hair using the hemp up shampoo and the hemp up conditioner first. Then I add on the roots the shining weightless amplifier to give like really more body to the hair. I blow dry it with a round brush. I use a curling iron again to give like some nice soft curl. And then always use a little bit of more of dry shampoo on it. You can have like beautiful big hair with no tease. I'm going to show you how to do it with no tease. Because actually the dry shampoo and all the products will give you the texture to create that look. So don't be scared to put the dry shampoo using like a tool, you know, like to give like, you see what you do with that? Then you brush it, you shake it like this, then you put your hair upside down again, you use a dryer. Use a hairspray. The firm mold hairspray is very good. It's your best friend when you want to do like big hair and you want to do like hair we're going to stay all night. Take it back. You see, use your dryer almost like your brush. A bit more spray. And she's gorgeous. You see, no tease, nothing, just her hair, the spray, a lot of spray, more spray, and then looking fabulous.